you?
Aren't you the girl who leads worship?
I am.
Wow! You must be cool.
It's nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you. I don't have good motor skills. Do you like my hair?
I do.
Is it tidy?
It is very tidy.
Yeah. What did you lower today?
I lowered McDonald's today.
Yeah, cool.
I did.
That sounds very tidy.
And it was a good flurry.
Cool. Do you ever T-bomb?
A little bit.
Yeah?
Not very fast, though.
Oh, but you're still cool.
I think so.
I need help.
Okay. Here, I can't see your eyes. There you
Can't
go.
see my eyes?
No, there you
Okay.
go. Okay.
I need help. I need some cool lessons.
Okay, I'll try.
I want the kids at Kids Rock Camp to think I'm cool.
So what do you need help with?
Well, I need to know how to be cool.
Well, what have you learned so far?
All the words I just said:
Tidy.
tidy, lowering,
And
T-bomb.
So what else have you learned?
Pastor Kent said I needed cool hair,
That is true.
so now I got it.
You do. So now you need one more thing.
Yeah.
You gotta wear cool clothes.
Oh, cool clothes.
Cool clothes.
Right on. Like, what makes something cool?
If everybody else wants it, it's totally cool.
Cool. I know just the thing. I'll be right back.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Carla, I'm back.
Hi.
Yeah, so I got something. I'm wearing something that everybody wants. A Tim Hortons cup. Because Pastor Kent loves Tim Hortons.
Yeah,
Pastor Dan loves Tim Hortons. Your husband Steve loves Tim Hortons.
he does.
Everybody loves Tim Hortons.
That's true.
Am I cool?
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
Cool. Awesome. I'm so glad.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Thanks for all the help.
See ya.